Hello guys, welcome back, and it's Wednesday. Half of the week is gone already. Well, sort of, right? Because we are on the half of the day of the half of the week and nearly on the half of the year as well. So that's like a perfect timing. Hope everyone is having a lovely day or a lovely night, and the trading is going well. First of everything, please subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up on this video. And after all, then you can come and share this video with your friends as well. All right. If you have any questions or anything that is, making your mind, you want to ask me, just put down in the comments and I will have a look on that. All right. I do this every video. I go and have a look. If someone have a questions, I go and answer it. Now, today it's going to be a very short video. I'm just here to talk about the German CPI that we're going to have tonight at 10 p.m. on Australian time, all right? So the previous was 0.5%, the month over month. The consensus is expected to be 0.2%. And the year over year, the previous was 2.2%, and the consensus is 2.4%. Now, I was revising some of the other institutions as well, some of the other banks, what they were saying about the German CPI, and most of them are in line with the consensus, all right? And yesterday on my webinar, I don't know if you've been there, but every Tuesday and Thursdays we have webinars. So tomorrow we're going to have another one on Thursday. If you're not registered yet, the description of this video has the link for you to register yourself. It's free. We don't charge anything. The only thing you need to put is wait for the page to load and put your email so we can send the link to you so you can join. Otherwise, there's no way for you to join. But anyways, that's going to be from 7 to 8 tomorrow, all right, Australian time. So make sure to register yourself today. Okay, so the German CPI, as I was saying, I was looking at some bank reports. I was talking to some other people, and most of them are as well expecting. Most of the models are pointing to the same as the consensus, 0.2% for the month over month, coming from 0.5, and the year over year 2.4 coming from the previous 2.2. Now, the question remains, is inflation come down or is inflation going up then? Because we have the month over month coming down and the year over year going up. Well, at least the projection is to be 0.2% higher than the last year. My view on that is there is room yet for inflationary periods into the German, okay, because the manufacturing PMI was good, so therefore people are manufacturing, therefore people are buying those manufacturers. Same as goes for the services, all right, as we had last week on Wednesday, if I'm not too wrong. And you can actually go and have a look on the YouTube channel here. We've made a video on that, so you can clarify your mind on the thinking of that. Now, then tomorrow we're going to have the Europe CPI. If we go to tomorrow economic calendar, sorry, not tomorrow, Friday. I thought it was Thursday today. Let me go here. So Friday we're going to have at 7 p.m. the core CPI and the CPI month over month and year over year for Europe. And the year over year, it's very interesting because the previous was 2.4 and now is expected to be 2.5. So therefore, of course, the German have really big take into Eurozone, and therefore Europe is still Eurozone. Will always reflect what, not always, but most of times will reflect what Germany has to deliver. So if Germany is 2.4, therefore there is maybe another 1.1% on combining of all other the countries of Eurozone region. Therefore, I think this consensus makes sense. Now, what are my expectations here? It may come as the consensus is expecting, but I don't think it will come much higher than that, all right? So it's coming as the consensus is already higher, all right? The year over year is already higher. Now, the month over month for CPI for Eurozone, we don't have the consensus, but the previous was 0.6%. So if we look for the German, the month over month was 0.5, and they're expecting to be lower than 0.5. They're expecting to be 0.2. So there are this maths is mathing for me. That's what I would say, and I'm expecting a higher CPI for German in the year over year, because we're coming from 2.2 going for 2.4. The consensus is already expecting higher inflation, but there is a possibility to tilt even higher than 2.4. So this scenario makes me believe on a stronger euro. I'm not talking about stronger euro dollar, I'm talking about the currency euro, all right? Therefore, we would need to double check and see what would actually make sense for us to be trading on this sequence of data, all right? And this is when you can use your strategy with my fundamentals and line up that for your understanding. Now guys, we've come up on the end of the video. I hope everyone liked this content. Please, again, subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up on the video, and then now you can share this video with your friends. Just send the link to them and look, I find this content very nice. Watch it out, then you will be more in line with what is happening on the inflation of German and Eurozone. I thank you so much for doing that, and being another day. I'm gonna say again, we've just reached 8,000 subscribers on the YouTube, so it's a very fabulous work from everyone here from ACY, but as well as you guys giving us the support to continue to do that. Again, thank you so much. Have a lovely week, rest of the week, and I see you tomorrow on the webinar, or I see you in the next video. Ciao, ciao.